Welcome back. Good morning, everyone. Today I will start the topic a circle. Introduction to circle from basic to top level. Okay. What is this? A circle with center, right? A circle with center. You can give any name. A center will be O. So this is the circle with center. What is this? OA. OA means what? It is the radius of the circle. OA is nothing but what? Radius of the circle. What is this? What is this? AB. From one end of the circle to other end of the circle. What is this? A chord. What is this? Chord. What is this now? What is this now? O A O A O B. What is this now? This is the diameter, not the chord. What is the difference between diameter and the chord? You can say it is chord, but first it is diameter. Okay, the diameter is a line segment which passes from the center of the circle. The line segment which passes from the center of the circle is diameter. Okay, so this is your diameter. Okay, so what is diameter? The line segment which passes from the center of the circle. From where? Center. And what is called? The line segment which does not contain center. That is the difference between chord and diameter. The chord does not contain the center, whereas diameter contains the center. So diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So you can say what? What you can say? Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. What? Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So AB is nothing but diameter, and diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So what is the ratio between radius and diameter? How many radius are there in one diameter? Therefore, one diameter, what? One diameter means how many? See here, this is your diameter. So this is your radius and this is also your radius. So one diameter contains what? Two radius. One diameter is equal to two radius. Right? One diameter contains how many radius? Two radius. Very good. Next. Therefore, one radius means how many diameter? One radius means how many diameter? See here. One radius. One radius is what? Half diameter. One radius क्या है? One radius क्या है? आधा diameter. कितना है? आधा means half diameter. Half. One radius is nothing but half diameter. Okay. So how many radius are there in one diameter? There are two radius in one diameter. If I say how many diameter are there in one radius, that time you will say in radius there is half diameter. How many? Half diameter. This half you can write as R is equal to D upon 2. This R means what? Radius, D means diameter divided by 2. Okay. Next. If I say continue this, what is this? Now, what is the difference between this segment AB? This is line segment, line AB. It intersects two ends of the circle. So it is called as what? Secant. What is it is called? Secant. Why secant? What is the difference between chord and secant? It is a segment and it is a line. And it touches the two points on the circle. What is the feature of secant? It touches the 2 points. It intersects the 2 points on the circle. What it does? It intersects on the 2 points on the circle. If it touches only the 1 point, only 1 point, if touches at 1 point only, right? This is A, this is B, this is something P, right? This is O. So what is this tangent? So this is nothing but a tangent. What is this? Tangent. Tangent AP intersects circle at point P, and OP is the radius. Here what? OP is the radius, AP is the tangent at point P. It touches the circle at point P at only 1 point. Where? At only 1 point. So it is called as tangent. Remember that. One more thing. Tangent is always perpendicular to radius. What to note? Tangent. This tangent is always perpendicular to radius. So note down. Tangent is always perpendicular. What do you mean by perpendicular? Means it is 90 degree. Tangent is always perpendicular to what? To radius. Dash is always perpendicular to dash. Tangent is always perpendicular to radius, whatever the question may be. If I say dash is always perpendicular to radius, the answer will be tangent. If I say tangent is always perpendicular to dash, the answer is radius. Okay? So you have to remember this. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Next. If I say question, how many radius can be drawn in a circle? How many radius it can be drawn in a circle? एक रेडियस, एक सर्कल में कितने रेडियस बना सकते हैं? How many radius? This center 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can draw infinite. How many? Infinite radius can be how many radius? Infinite radius can be drawn from in a circle. Okay, next. So this curve line. So this is your circle means what? A curved line. A circle means what? A curved line, not straight line. This is your curved line. And what is this? What is this? This is your diameter. Okay. So this curved line, the ratio means this curved line is known as circumference. What? This curved line is known as circumference, length. If I open from here, it will be a straight line, right? The circumference. This is your circumference. This is your diameter. So what is the ratio? What is the ratio of what? Circumference to diameter. What is the ratio of circumference to diameter? Means what? C is to D. Ratio, this is known as ratio. Ratio means what? 2 dot. This 2 dot means what? C upon D. Divide is nothing but pi. The ratio of C upon D is pi, where pi is equal to 3.14 or 22 upon 7. This pi is nothing but 3.14 or 22 upon 7. This is the value of 22 upon 7, right? But this pi is constant. This pi is constant. The ratio of circumference is to diameter. We will get the answer pi. Pi is not the accurate value 3.14 or 22 upon 7. This is not the accurate value. Okay. So the value is, it differs slightly. So we are saying approx. The value of pi is 3.14 or 22 upon 7. Okay. So pi value is 3.14 or 22 upon 7. So what is the ratio of C upon D? C upon D is nothing but pi. The ratio of circumference upon diameter is pi. Okay. Okay. If I say circumference is 88 and diameter is what? 28. So if you divide this C by D, 88 upon 28, it will go in the table of 2. How many times? 44 times. It will go in the table of 2. 14 times. Again it will go in the table of 2. 22 times. It will go in the table of 7 times. So answer will be 22 upon 7. Understood? So this is called ratio of circumference is to diameter, 22 upon 7. Okay. I have a screenshot of this. Next. So what you have to learn? C upon D is nothing but pi. Right? Okay. So if I say circumference is 176 and pi is 22 upon 7. Find D. If I say circumference is 176 and pi is 22 upon 7, find the value of D. So what you have to do? C upon D is pi. Right? This is the formula. C upon D is equal to pi. What is the value of C given? 176 upon D is equal to 22 upon 7. So what you will do? Cross multiply. क्या करेंगे हम लोग? You will do cross multiply. D into 22 is equal to 176 multiplied by 7. 176 multiplied by 7 upon 22. So what is the value of this? It will go in the table of 11. 2. How many times? 2 times. Sorry. 11 times in the table of 2. It will go 88 times. This will go 1 time. This will go 8 times. Therefore, 8 into 7. What is the value? 8 into 7. What is 8 into 7? Is 56. The value of diameter is 56. Therefore, D is equal to 56 centimeter. Okay. So such type of sums can be solved. If I say what is the radius in there, what is the radius? The radius will be half of diameter. Therefore, radius is what? Radius is equal to diameter upon 2. What is diameter? 56 upon 2 is equal to 28 centimeter. Okay. So radius will be 28 centimeter. Okay. You have learned the tables, you know the tables, but still I will say you must learn the table of which? Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. You have to learn the table of 3.5. What? Table of 3.5. If you are learning this table of 3.5, the calculation related to circle topic will be easier. The calculation will be very much easier. Example, if I use the table, what is the answer? 3.5. 3.5 into 1 is 3.5. 3.5 into 2 is 7. Here it will be 10.5. Here 3, 4, right? It will be 14 multiplied by 5 is going to be 17.5 multiplied by 6 it will be 21 multiplied by 7 is equal to 24.5 multiply 8 is equal to 28 multiply by 9 is equal to 31.5 multiply by 10 is 35. Means 3.5 multiply by 3.5 multiply by 5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. Right? If you are learning this table of 3.5, the topic related to circle will be very easy. See how I will prove it. C. What you have to find? C. If I say the value of C is what? 176. Find radius. What do you have to find? Radius. The sum you see here. What is the formula for circumference? Formula 2 pi r. What is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r. So 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into r. So this is C, 176. So what is the value of r? R is equal to 176 into 7, 2 into 22. Right? 1 time, 88 time. In the table of 2, 11 time it will go in the table of 44. 11 1 ja, 11 4 ja. R is equal to 4 into 7. R is equal to 28 centimeter. There was no need of this 3.5. Right? Here there was no need of the table 3.5. But if you have to find area of circle. Find area of circle. Right? When radius is radius of circle कितना दिया है 10.5. What? Where radius of circle is 10.5. Find the area of circle. So what is the formula for here? Area of circle. What is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square. Right? So what is the value of pi? 22 upon 7 into what is the radius? 10.5 multiplied by 10.5. Right? Here you will need the table of 3.5. How to cancel this? So let's take one more easy example. Or same example you can continue. 10.5 multiplied by 10.5. So how many this 7 and 10.5 will go? If you are knowing the table of 3.5, 3.51, 3.5.2 are 7, 3.3 are 10.5. So it will go in the table of 3.5. How many times? 3 times. It will go 2 times. Right? It will go how many times? 2 times. 3.5 into 3 is 10.5. And this will go 2 times in the table of 3.5. ये कट होगा 1 टाइम और ये कितना होगा 11. What is the answer? 11 into 3 into 10.5. What is 11 into 3? 30 into 10.5. 30 into 10.5. Now what you do? 30 multiplied by 10 is 300. And 30 multiplied by 0.5 is 15. So answer will be 315. If I say this is centimeter, this will be centimeter square. Right? See, 3 5s are 15. 1 carry. 3 1s are 3 0 0. 1 carry 1. 3 1s are 3. So 315 centimeter square. So if you are learning this table 3.5, 7, 10.5, 14, 17.5, then your calculation will be easy. You can solve some similarly. In the next video, I will solve the similar sum. Okay, so still then stay blessed. Please like my channel and subscribe it. Press the bell button below. Thank you for watching my video.